Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. I do like to throw in my Ipsy bag, which, by the way, that bag should be coming in today. So I'm really looking forward to that. And I'd like to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I have reached 19K and I'm so excited, and I just want to say thank you so much for that. And thank you to the members of my channel that support me. I appreciate that very, very much. And when I hit the 20K, I will go ahead and have another giveaway. But yeah, go ahead and grab you something to drink. I'm drinking coffee this morning, good old black coffee. And sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old Monday crochet chat. First drink of the day, you just can't beat it. It feels so good going down. Okay, let's see what I have today. I do have a joke today. Why are Christmas trees so bad at knitting? Because they keep dropping their needles. I probably should have held off on that one till Christmas time, but I couldn't help myself. I just thought it was so funny. I just had to get it out there. Okay, what I've been working on is my 18-inch doll, this Jasmine. I haven't forgotten you, Jasmine. She requested that I make a Batgirl outfit. And it's really hard to find images because the movie hasn't come out yet. But there's a lot of costumes. And so I just kind of taken pieces from this costume and that costume. But I'll show you what I've got. Here's what I've gotten so far. The cape just buttons on is all. The cape there. So I say this looked darker, but I guess it's under her chin. But it's the same purple as that. But there's the cape. It does have 5 points. Her cape does. Some of these looks like 3. Some looks like 2. I'm going to go with the 2. So all I've got left now is the face mask, hat / face mask. I've got the, what do you call it? Oh, the little squares, couple squares I'm going to put on the belt, and then the emblem. I haven't decided if I want to do that with black felt or yellow felt. I can't remember the color now. Anyway, I'm not sure if I just want to. I've seen some people where they have like a parenthesis and then a little symbol, for the crochet versions. And so I may just do that. But anyway, I'll decide that as I get there, exactly what I want to do. But yep, that's her so far. Jasmine, I hope you're happy with this. And I think what I have next is I've really been wanting to do the Link costume. And I've been really wanting to do, because I know that one's not going to appeal to that many people. But it appeals to me. It highly appeals to me. And then the Harry Potter, the boy and the girl. So I've been putting that off for over a year now. And I don't know why. But I need to get that out. I don't really watch their movies or anything. I did watch the first, 3 or 4 movies with my daughter when she was living at home. She really likes them. And so I'm really just going to get the costumes out for her. Because she really likes them, but I don't really, I've never read the books, and I watched a few of the movies when they came out, and they're cute, but that's all. I'm not like a big fan or anything like that, but I am a big fan of Link. I do like him a lot. And as far as Batgirl, I don't really know anything about Batgirl. The other thing that I've been semi-working on, I haven't been very productive. Only with her have I been productive. I'm still working on that. I have not touched this in a few days. Got 1 panel done, and I'm working on the 2nd panel. I just need to get it done. What else? Thank you, Rose from Rose Likes Crochet. Thank you for this bag. I won this by donating some stuff to Wings, and my name got drawn one of the months, and I got this bag, and I use it all the time. I just love this bag. So thank you so much for that, Rose. Rose with Rose Likes Crochet. She does have a YouTube channel. I will leave her link below. Go check her out. She's a really nice lady, and she loves crochet. Rose Likes Crochet. I like that title. That's a really good YouTube name. But anyway, go check out her channel. I will leave the link below. The other thing is I'm trying to remake the vest that I made. It's not coming out very good. And I'm not sure. I just can't seem to get the count right around is all. I'm having trouble with that. I wanted to make one in white, but I think I might have the count right now. So we'll see. That's actually upside down. Here we go. So I think I might finally, it's just fan stitches. And what I did different on this one, only did one thing different. For my bottom, they just have you to chain and then go straight into the fan stitches. I put a single crochet row. I couldn't stand working those fan stitches in my chain, because when you get to the bottom, when you're done with it, and you go back and they have you to put a single crochet row around it, here's what happens. Where is the end of it? There you go. It's, there. You see some parts of that where it's kind of, I'm just not feel like I'm showing you very well. There we go, where it's kind of big right there. All that, I can't stand that part of it. Anyway, so I just put a single crochet row on mine and started my fan stitches from there. I love this vest. I can't help it. It feels so good. I need to email them and find out what yarn this is. I'm pretty sure it's Premier, but I would love to know what yarn this is. I would love to have this in so many colors, this yarn right here, and just remake this in just all kinds of colors. That's how much I love this thing. I'm not remaking. Hold on, I dropped my hook. Hold on. There we go. Okay. I am taking that same concept of how you make a straight panel, and then you make a front panel going up, you make your middle panel going up, and then you make your left side panel going up. And then you fold those around like that, and you take your two front panels and you connect them to that back panel. And I like that concept. So I am trying one of my own design, because it's summer and I need something really super holy that I can wear out. So I'm trying that with this, the holy. This is triple crochets with a single crochet row in between. So this is one of my front panels up there, and this is my back panel. And yes, it's too big, but I don't care. And then this is my other half of my front panel. I think I just need one more row and it would have been done. And then I'm out of yarn. So I did order some off Amazon, and it'll be here tomorrow. So I'll be able to finish that. But I'm so excited over this. Okay, I literally spent an entire Sunday on this right here. And this is as far as I've gotten. This is supposed to be fast. But I just couldn't get the width right, and I still don't have it right. I guess I would rather it be a little too big than too small, but it just kept being too small. And I kept like doing 3 or 4 rows. I would get like that much done. It seemed like it would be okay, and I'd get like this much or this much, and then I'm like, you know, it's just not going around me. It's just, you know, I can't get it right. So I'd undo it and add, you know, 4 more stitches or whatever, and then find out it wouldn't do it again. And then finally, I don't know, I ended up adding about 24 more stitches and, or chains, I guess you could say. And now it's too big. So I'm just staying with it. I'm just going to stick with it. And depending on this, if it is too big, how it fits, maybe it'll help me know what my next one needs to be. But I would rather it be too big than too small. And it may not be that bad once it's on. Let's see, there's side to side. We'll cross it. It's not going to be that bad, I guess. But I don't know. But anyway, I'm really looking forward to getting this done. And it's so easy. But yeah, I'm trying out that construction of it. I'm not adding sleeves to it. Matter of fact, these armholes, like this is armholes right here. The armhole on this is going to be like way down here. And I'm not adding any sleeves to this right here at all. I'm just going to let it kind of go over the shoulder some. And leave it at that. Okay, that's all the crochet stuff I have to show you. Let me go ahead and read to you the 365 days of prayer. So today is, let's see what today is. Today's May the 16th. Oh, I can use my Kohl's Cash today. Okay, May the 16th. Let's see what it says. Glorified me. I know that I have not yet reached that goal, but there is one thing I always do, forgetting the past and straining towards what is ahead. Philippians 3:13. God of glory, you are with me in the here and now. As I live with my eyes set on what's to come, let me be submitted to your grace that empowers me to shake off the mistakes of the past. I know that limitations are not permanent. Keep me growing in you as I run the race of this life, looking to the prize at the end. Give me vision for the long haul, that I wouldn't get sidetracked by minor problems that will work themselves out as I keep moving forward. Give me the wisdom I need to know when to rest and when to press on. Whatever the future may bring, I believe it is better than what I can imagine asking. Giver of good gifts, I fix my eyes on you. You are the goal. I am running towards your goodness, even as it meets me where I am. What has been keeping you from moving forward in faith? Oh, that was just beautiful. Well, guys, I hope that you enjoyed that as much as I did, and I hope that that inspires you and helps you on your journey along with serving Jesus. Okay, yeah, that's all that I have for this video. Guys, just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.